Hello, welcome to Pecan Corner. I'm Tina, and today I'm going to talk about the keeping properties of witch's broom garlic. First of all, I want to say thank you all for continuing to watch during my long absence. I hope I'm back making videos regularly and putting them up regularly now. It's been quite a year, but everybody's had one, haven't you? And we're all getting back to normal now. I wanted to talk, it's garlic planting time again, and I wanted to talk a little bit. The garlic, I did another video, what's wrong with my garlic? And this was the season, the winter of 2019-2020 was a very warm winter, followed by 2020 and 21, which was a very cold winter. But the real warm winter in 2019-2020 was so warm that my garlic did what they called witch's broom. It all sprouted before it was even time to gather it, and so it sent up every little clove sent up shoots. So I went ahead and harvested it, and I went ahead and I didn't know what to do with it, and folks told me it's because of the warm weather. The warm temperatures caused it to bolt. It's kind of a bolting that it did. So I went ahead and cured it, went ahead and braided it, and what was remarkable is that witch's broom garlic actually lasted longer than my regular garlic usually does. I guess since each little clove had already sprouted, they sealed back up and they stayed good, and of course they wouldn't sprout again, and so it actually didn't. This is all I've got left, but I had it actually kept. I was able to still have garlic from that up until July of 2021. That I finally, the rest of it had all dried up inside its pods, and I couldn't, because it just dried up, but not because it sprouted. Normally what happens is, I gather it in about May, and the next fall and winter it starts wanting to sprout, and so you have to plant what's left over, or pickle it, or do something with it, because in this warm climate we really can't grow good keeping garlic, and so we don't keep it from one season to the next. But that witch's broom garlic, it did that. So I just wanted to let you know. I don't know if there's any way to artificially cause that phenomenon, but if you do have that happen to your garlic, don't be despondent, because you actually are still going to get good garlic out of it, and it's still going to keep well. So that's just what I want to talk about. These will go on the fire now, because there's nothing left of them. I'm just planting it. I've done a couple of videos over the years of planting my garlic. I follow the directions in Bob Anderson's gourmetgarlicgardens.com, and so he has you soak the pods or the cloves in water with some baking soda in it overnight, and it helps you peel them easier, but it also kills any molds or mildews that might be in there. Inside the pods, and so it protects your ground from getting contaminated with anything that might come in from somewhere else where it was grown. And then the other piece of this is then when you peel them off, and immediately before planting it, I just soaked it overnight. Immediately before planting, give it 5 minutes or so in alcohol. And that will kill any, in case there's any little critters that came along with it. And so that's what I'm doing, and I'm fixing to plant some garlic. So that's it. No long one today, but I hope you are all doing well. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and is getting ready for a great Christmas season. I put up our Christmas tree extra early this year, and we're going to try to enjoy the season all through it, and do something special each week, just to rejoice in this marvelous Christmas season that we have. All right, you guys take care. I'll talk to you again soon.